Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can change our age on Discord. So for that, go to your profile and scroll down a little bit, and then you will see this option of support. Just click on it. After that, just click on the three lines on top and click on submit a request. And here in the section of what can we help you with, click on it and select trust and safety. Then type in your email address, and in the section of how can we help, just click on it and select the last option of appeals age update. Then click on the list again and click on update my age information. Tick this checkbox. Provide your phone number and it is optional. Then type in your date of birth. Confirm this checkbox. Type in the subject that you want to update your age. Write the description of your issue, like why you want to change your age, and you can also attach a file here, and it is optional, but I would suggest you to attach a file of or a government document where your date of birth is mentioned. So Discord will be helping you out with all the updates and will be able to help you out with updating your age on Discord. Then click on submit, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.